how to connect a mobile with a PC using SHAREit application. You can connect your mobile to your computer using the SHAREit application. It's a secure and safe way to transfer your data between these devices because the application doesn't transfer viruses. SHAREit application is simple. Here we disclose these easy steps. First, you start the computer, then prepare the application by click the icon of the application. Then go to the start menu and click the application icon on the pinned title tab, the application icon, or you can go to the application by click on the all apps tab and select the application here. After you click this icon, the application will start. Here this screen appear. Now go to the mobile to prepare the application. Click on the folder where the application is located. If the application icon appear on this page, go to the next page. After you click the folder where the application icon is found, then the icon of application appear. Now click it. The screen of mobile will be changed as appear on the next page. Now click the shape appear on the top right side of the mobile. Then click connect PC. After some seconds, the screen will be changed to look as appear on the next page. On this screen, click scan to connect tab. Now this screen appear. Now face the mobile camera to the PC screen so as to look like this screen. Then on your PC screen, click show QR code. The QR code appear. Adjust mobile camera near this QR code. Then the camera will capture the code and the connection is occurred. Then on the mobile screen, as the camera captures the code, this dialog box appear. Select the hotspot you prefer. Sometimes connection may not start automatically, so you need to click it on the screen as on the following page. If the button not appear on the top notification panel, then click the button of notification panel to open the full view of buttons. The mobile hotspot started automatically, but if it isn't start for about 30 up to 40 seconds, so it is better to click it to start manually. Once the connection done, the screens will be changed. This will be the screen on the PC. And this is the screen as appear on the mobile. Click the button appropriate to the type of file or files you want to transfer. Here we will click on Photos button. Click on the tab referred to the folders where photos or files saved. Photos are on Screenshots folder. Click on photos you want to select to copy and transfer to the PC. Then click Next button. Now transferred copies appeared here. Also, you can click here to open the folder of photos destination. Also, after you leave the application, later on the future, if you want to find those files you have transferred, click this option if you want to go to the file location. As you click one of those options, this folder will be opened. Now click Close button to shut down this folder. And then click this Close button to shut down the SHAREit application.